Allegations made by Joseph Sequeira against Kalangut police station, police inspector, Malaskar Appos, against me as the MLA of the constituency, against the panchayat members, are all vague. So Joseph Sequeira has lost elections of panchayat. He's lost election as a MLA. He filed case on me in the court of directly High Court. First he filed case before State Election Commissioner that my election should be set aside. He failed in that. He filed in High Court. I won the case in High Court that my election was fraudulent. This is what was the case in High Court. Now he has become a little desperate to come back to power. So he is trying all his means. He lost panchayat. So he filed a case on the panchayat members before the State Election Commission. Then he filed before Tribunal Court. Then he went, now he has filed in High Court against the panchayat members to disqualify them as members. So he thinks that filing cases or making some vague allegations, the highest number of drugs seized in entire state of Goa was by Kalangut police station. You check the record for the last 1 year of all the police stations and check of Kalangut police. This government has acted, the police have acted. Now if police had not to act, then they should put vague allegations. They should put allegations on the respected MLA, the police or the government. Now they are, when crime branch has acted, when Kalangut police station has acted and arrested so many people and filed charge sheets on so many individuals, most of those people who are arrested are still in the jail. So what I am saying in short is the work has been done. The cases have been registered, drugs have been caught by the police, Kalangut police station, crime branch, and now they are putting allegations on us. Means if you work, there are allegations. If you don't work, they are saying politician drug nexus. So people should judge this and say that what work has been done. We have to give a pat on the back of the police. They cannot say that there is nothing done. Allegations by Joseph Sequeira are purely political in nature.